Hello there. Good day. This is yours truly, Emmanuel Okefa, who is often called Mr. Hilltop. Welcome to Tenkobo. In this video, I will walk you through how to use the Tenkobo app, show you the main features, and explain how everything works so you can get started easily. Now, if you are new here, please open the Google Play Store app. Or if you're using an iPhone, you can open your App Store and search for Tenkobo. Download the app and open it. You can sign up or log in using your details, as you will see when you launch the app. Now, after logging in, you will see the home dashboard, just as you can see over here as I'm scrolling. This is where you can access all the main sections of the app. From here, you will see options like Surpass Games, First Class AI, and Price Tracker. Now let's start with Surpass. At the bottom corner of the app here, this is where you practice exam questions and revise. You can choose a subject or exam type, answer questions, and see feedback on your performance afterward. This helps you understand which topics you are good at and which ones need more attention. The next one is games. Let's check out games. In this section, it allows you to compete with other students in quiz competitions. Okay, you can earn points based on how well you perform, and these points place you on the leaderboard. Now, I'm sure this is where most of you would be excited about. Top students during each competition period will win cash rewards, including prizes up to 1 million naira. And so I would like to just take you through this section a bit more. I think it's loading. So in this section, just as you can see, it's finished loading. This person's app, I'm using one of the user's phone to be able to explain to you. So you see how the person has performed. So you see the ranking and you see the difficulty level, challenging, easy, and you can play different games, right? Now, if you've decided to join a game, you can decide to tap this link here to invite your friends. Now there's a global leaderboard, okay, and there's a national leaderboard as well. And then I think, okay, this person currently is ranked 7 nationally. He's 7th nationally. Then let's go to the school section, because you are competing with other students. You know, it's a challenge between schools. So currently you can see the leaderboard, right? So by the time you come to the app, what you want to do, by the time you come over here, what you want to do in the game section for a new user, you are going to see here where you are seeing my school here. You are going to see join school. That is if during your sign up process you have not installed it, okay? But if you've already done so while signing up, no problem. So you just come here and click my school. As it's showing not in the school yet, okay? So as you can see under this person's scoreboard, he is currently ranked number 3, and these are his details. Okay, so this is where you get to compete with everyone, and then the top school amongst all schools at the end of this first round of competition will get to win the 1 million naira. Okay, so let's move over to the CGPA calculator and how it can help you track your studies. So as you can see, this is the user's details. He has already imputed his courses. All right. The person is currently, I think, is in part 4 thereabout, so he has imputed all of his courses from part 1 to this level, and you can see his current CGPA and his potential CGPA, and then his target CGPA. It is this app that is helping him to be able to track it properly. So there's study scheduler, there's study analytics, and there's CGPA predictor. So with what he has submitted so far, let's see what Tenkobo has to say about what he will likely end up with at the end of the day. So as you can see, this is the CGPA predictor. All right. As you can see, it showed him, you know, the courses that he didn't perform well, courses that affected the CGPA. There's recommended action and required grades. Now you can see now, based on what this person desires to have in this current semester, term semester in his school, okay, the courses he has imputed here, the CGPA predictor has told him what he must have to be able to get his desired grade for this semester. So he mustn't score less than B for all of these courses that you see right here. So you can see the way his course performances have been ranked. Okay, so this is one thing about the CGPA predictor on this Tenkobo app, as it were. So because of time, let's quickly move closer to the other aspect. Now the other aspect of this app, all right, so there's also AI advisor. Okay, it advises you on your tailored, your tailored goals, and then there's ultimate analytics. These are more advanced features of the app. So there's also a price tracker. Okay, as you can see under these features here, this price tracker helps to check for prices of products in your community, of fuel prices, and what have you. Okay, and then what next? Okay, so there's settings, All right, so you can manage your account details, preferences under your settings, and all of that. So this is what Tenkobo is briefly about. So Tenkobo brings studying, competition, and academic planning together in one app. So please go ahead to explore the features and use them regularly to get the best experience. So until next time, do take care of yourself. Cheers. Mr. Hilltop here.